Okay, in this tutorial, we'll show you the basic toolset for building your first app. Let's start with an obvious thing, adding a new screen. Let's click this button at the bottom of the screens list and enter a name. As soon as you click Add, the emulator takes you to the newly created screen. Another very basic move in Kinetize is dragging a widget. That's how you add widgets to your app. See the rulers highlighting where the widget will be dropped? They show the anchoring point for your newly added widget relative to the border or other screen objects. If you're not happy with where the widget landed, you can always pick it up again with a long click, or by changing its alignment in the common properties for this widget. The Properties panel has 3 tabs. Settings is used for setting the properties specific for this particular widget type. For example, this is an image widget, so you can upload a picture here or set the scaling rules. The Common tab contains the properties for the rectangle your widget is set in, so size, alignment, background, borders, margins, paddings, and radiuses. This is a very important rule. Each widget in Kinetize renders within a rectangle. Because of this, the Common tab looks exactly the same for all widget types. The Events tab lets you set actions for when the user taps this widget. So this is how you create buttons. The simplest use case is to make a button that navigates the user to another screen. Switching to emulator mode lets you check how the app would work on a real device. We can now simulate on-screen taps with a mouse click. See? The app navigates to the main screen. There is a faster way to simulate taps. We'll switch back to the editor mode and make a button out of the text widget, which navigates to the second screen. Now, instead of enabling emulator mode, right-click your mouse on the widget. The final piece of the puzzle are the tile icons. They show up when you roll your mouse over a widget close to its upper right corner. The far right icon opens up the Properties panel. The trash can is self-explanatory, right? The clone icon clones the widget, so you can easily make duplicates. The 2 left icons are for copying and pasting the common properties, but only the common ones. To see how this works, let's modify one of the images so that it displays another picture and it's positioned differently. You see, the common properties for these 2 widgets aren't the same. Now let's copy the common properties from one image and paste them to the second. The properties now match, but the basic settings of the widget remain unchanged. And a really cool feature? You only need to design the application once, and it will run and look great on every device. So that's how to get to grips with Kinetize. Good luck, and happy developing!